Flamingos, one of the most unique birds you ever saw. Hello, my name is Zabakio, and welcome to another video of logo design portfolio. So, we got something pretty good, or say not good. A sort of tiny bird in diesel. So yeah, her name is Alana. So this week's thing. Now this is like a 7th one. I think so. Yeah, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 12. Okay, so we're in the 7th. One. Okay, and we're getting there. We're getting close to the end of them, and put it into a project, a client, a project, a problem, and a solution. So that's a good thing. We're getting there. Yeah, almost done. Alright, so with that, I'm gonna go ahead and add those things into this portfolio page, and I'll probably, maybe I will add an extra bit to it. We'll see. Okay, so wish me good luck, and I get back to you when I'm done with it. Okay, so I put a problem, solution, and a project on the beaver bird, Alana. So yeah, I came up with something unique for him or for her, and it's pretty good. Like, there's a problem being a majestic bird, and then the solution of a crystal sky. Interesting. And then I put a cinematic intro about Alana. Just a script about her and detail. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. I didn't want to put anything else in it, and like, it was a bit confusing and relative to not what I wanted so badly. So yeah, and I think what actually came up is a lot better. so yeah, but there you have it. So this is actually Alana, a beautiful bird, and she's actually an actress. Yeah, pretty good. Alright, I think that's pretty much it. The next one before a page is Annabelle. Halloween witch. So yeah, I think this one was based on Halloween, but you get the point. Alright, and then we're doing pretty well. We're doing pretty good. Like, we're getting there. Yeah, and I don't even want to talk about the last one. No, I'm not talking about this one. No, I'm talking about this one. No, the Shockwaves. Okay, we'll talk about when I finally get into it. Right now, let's go back to Alana page, and let's do an outro. So I'm going to leave you here. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Join Team Women's. Do follow me on all my streaming accounts. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Helpful arts, beasts in the shadows, meant by the quest to find, but the deaths they feel lost as the ravens